We start with 1 hour chart. Okay, if we refer to our analysis, when the price was here, we mentioned if you want to look for buy, let the price to correct. Okay, and as we can see, we get the correction. Now we want to see this is the only correction, or we can expect the bigger correction for continuation. All right. Now, first of all, the best option is, because this one similar is to other charts. Okay, the best things is if this one become more complex. All right, this mean whether from here or at least we get one move down, or even the price move a bit higher, we get one move down. We get the at least one move down. Then from there, if we get any buy setup, we will be more interested. Can give us a better confirmation. Then we can get the. It depends how deep this one can go. And if we again we get one more drop, then we can trade. We can, whether within this range, like we can look for the trade setup, at least a sharp move flag, or based on lower time frame, or having entry both this. Okay, what we are talking, if the price give us one more drop, this one give us a flat. All right, this is the best things and can give us better confirmation. But how about if this is the only correction, and if you look at this as a, this one is a breakout, okay, then how we can trade it? From what we have right now, this one is not enough. I mean, it's not giving us any signal. All right, the best way is, if you want to trade this based on what we have right now, having entry above this. And what we want a price tag and continue. We should know that having entry above the top, the price can tag and reverse, because as I mentioned, the possibility price come here, drop. Also we have this one. That's why we mentioned if we get this one, it can give us a better confirmation. Okay, and if you move to 15-minute chart, as I mentioned right now, if we move, you want to trade based on this one, the breakout. Okay, and right now we can have the only way is we have entry above this. But if this one become more corrective, then the traders, I mean the deeper, then we can consider having entry above this. But right now, the best things is here, unless this one we see some changes. And what we want a price tag and continue. Even if this one become a more corrective, I mean, the drop some more. If you want to have entry above this, if the price tag and we see it's not moving, especially when the price come to this top, we take out the trade. We don't stay with the trade. Okay. Again, what we want the price tag and continue. All right. Why? Because based on a little based on daily chart, I will show. Still, we can expect we have been within this down move. This one can be a bit corrective for one more drop before we get the next up move based on higher time frame. Okay, that's why any trade, if we get this is not moving, we start to manage it. And now we move to forward chart. You want to see what we have based on forward chart? Okay, based on forward chart is, if we get a bigger correction, can give us a better confirmation. And if we move to daily chart, all right, based on daily chart, what I want to point is this: we have this down move, we get this down move. Then the price, we have been within this move for one more drop before we get this. That's why the price can be within this move. I mean, we give a corrective if we look at it based on daily chart for one more drop for next up move. That's why based on lower time frame, any trade within this range, we should be aware of this possibility. Okay, the only way if we get a sharp move, we give as a correction. For example, this one change the story. Then we don't need to wait for this. Okay, now the question is whether we get this or this. Okay, that's why I mean, if we get any buy setup, if I move to forward chart, as long as the price we see is moving similar to what I draw here, then we should be aware of next move down. Anyway, we just we see whether we can get a trade setup, and if we get any trade setup we see it's not moving fast, we start to manage based on what I just explained right now. And in this case we just follow the chart. If I see any update or changes, I will share. Thanks.